Nice little chunk on a cactus wrenworm. Drop shotting, so out and about 20 feet. So I may have a potential range. I don't know. We'll see if we can catch another one. What's up, everybody? Hey, just launched here at Saguaro Lake here in Arizona, and well, it's Saturday. The ramp is busy. I got here a little late, so a little later than normal. So I had to deal with a busy ramp, but I got launched. Took out the new to me trailer, and that worked out pretty good. Made it out here safely and launched safely, so that's good. Well, I'm gonna start fishing. I'm gonna probably target, well, I don't know what I'm gonna target yet. I'm gonna drive around and see, but my initial thought is probably somewhere in that 20 foot to 5 foot range, outside of possibly known spawning grounds. So we shall see. Like I said, just got on the water. Here's Saguaro. Water temperature is about 60 degrees, so so that didn't take too long. Nice little chunk on a cactus wrenworm. Drop shotting, so out and about 20 feet. So I may have a potential range. I don't know. We'll see if we can catch another one. But good start. Alright, I think we're finding a pattern. Got a nice another chunk off the cactus wrenworm, out and about 15 to 20 feet. So looks like that's where I'm going to be targeting for a little while. Alright, stay tuned. Heating up, 2 already. Hey, what's up, guys? Well, we got our first male bedfish. Took me a little while, but little buck guy. Got some beautiful kind of red eyes, kind of orange eyes. Beautiful little buck bass. Just guarding a little pre-bed there. Not very big, but still fun. They are on some beds. Took a little while, but she finally, or he finally bit the little cactus wren shad looking little worm. Took a little while to aggravate him. Alright, I'm gonna let him go do his job. Alright, so we got another little buck bass off of bed. Took a little while. Got him with a green lizard. So, little guy, but doing his job. Thank you. Go put this little guy back by his bed and do his job. There you go, fella. Thank you. Hey everybody, just wanted to kind of chime in and give you a recap of basically what worked for me today. And the technique today was mainly drop shot. That was how I basically hooked and caught all my fish. So the baits of choice were a couple of cactus wren worms in kind of a pink amethyst color, and then the clear and silver and black shad kind of curly tail worm. The other two baits that I caught fish on, or got hooked some fish on, one was I think this is a little Yamamoto salamander or lizard that I threw, that the bedfish took. And the last bait that actually got some action was a missile, I think they call it a missile fuse. It's basically a kind of a finesse drop shot craw. Like I said, I hooked a couple fish with that fuse, but both of them were
bad timing on the hook sets. Basically, slack line, yada yada. Fish swam toward me. Long story short, I just didn't get a good hook set, and the fish came up both times and spit it. So, and that happens sometimes. What I threw it on was basically a Kistler Helium 3 medium light finesse spinning rod with the Shimano Stratic CI4 reel 2500 series. Main line is Nanofill. I believe it's 12-pound test, tied to some 6-pound Sniper fluorocarbon can't say it, fluoro leader, and that was the ticket today. And the weight was just a quarter ounce drop shot weight. So that was the primary technique for me today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit the subscribe button. You know, give me some likes. Leave your comments either way, whether you like it, dislike it. Hey, I will try to, you know, respond and well, yeah, I will try to respond to every comment. So I appreciate everybody's attention and the time they put into watching me here. So enjoy your outdoors and be safe. Till next time.